Here we go!
Hello.
The zookeeper solved the problem by moving the elephant.
Okay. Hooray! Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go.
The truck reaches the tracks. Wait! The elephant is too heavy, and the car is stuck. No! A train is coming fast! There's going to be an accident!
Get away!
No! The train hit the truck! 2 trucks tipped over and the elephants fell onto the road!
Help! Help! Help me!
Go, 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 go!
What is going on?
Help me! Hey, you.
Need to call for help! The police got the emergency call! Hurry! Let's rescue the
Here we
trucks!
go!
Don't worry! We're here to rescue everyone! The crane moves in to rescue the trucks! Each truck is being lifted quickly! This dangerous road needs a new bridge! The police are calling
I
for
need
its
your help.
delivery! The new bridge is assembled! First, sturdy pillars are placed. Second, the colorful bridge deck is set on top.
Okay, let's go.